Hello, hello! Today I'm gonna show you a quick look into a game of Kiou between Hirose and Honda. This is the tournament bracket. The winner of this game went to the challenger deciding fight, and the loser will still have chance to come back. And the most interesting position of the game was here. Hirose is on the bottom, Honda is on top. Here Hirose played bishop drop. This is to avoid the senichte of exchanging dropping silver. And here, instead of losing material, he takes here, attacking the rook escapes, and naturally we promote the pawn. Honda counterattacks with the knight drop, and here we will see a brilliant attack from Hirose. If you would like to think about the next move, you can pause the video here. The move that was played was silver drop to 7-3. As you will see in few moves, the king was dragged into the center, and by continuously attacking the rook, we are able to capture it, actually. There are, of course, some crazy variations of sacrificing the knight here, sacrificing the bishop, and so on. But because the king is in the center, those all will end up in over-attacking. So what Honda played was to push the pawn 6-6, trying to open the rook line. In the end, heavy fighting continued, but here, as we said, the king was dragged into the center, so the rook drop 6-2 was pretty decisive, attacking defending move, and after about 30 moves later, Honda resigned. If you're curious how exactly the game continued from then, you can check it on Shogi Live application, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.